Hello everyone. Today I'm going to introduce to you how to use the GTokenTool platform to conduct batch transfers. First we enter the batch transfer page, then connect to the main network. I will demonstrate it to you using the test network, then connect the wallet. We chose the Phantom wallet. After a successful connection, you can see the wallet address. Now, let's start the operation. I'll demonstrate first the batch transfer of Sol to you. The first step is to enter the wallet address. You can upload a file here, or you can enter it manually. I will manually enter two addresses. Then we click on Auto Add Quantity and enter the quantity you want to transfer. Click Confirm and the quantity will be automatically filled in for us. After filling it in, you can see the total amount to be transferred and your wallet balances below. After confirming that there are no errors, we click Send Transaction. Click Confirm. Once it's successful, it will show all transfers were successful here. In this way, the batch transfer of Sol is completed. Now I'll explain to you how to conduct a batch transfer of tokens. We select a token that we want to transfer, then it's time to enter the wallet address. You can click here to randomly generate addresses. This is suitable for airdrops. If you don't need it, you can click Clear, and this can also support file uploads. We will still directly enter it manually. Enter two addresses. Next click on Auto Add Quantity. Enter the quantity you want to transfer. And click Confirm, then it's added. Below this, it will also show the total amount to be transferred and the quantity of tokens in the current wallet. After confirming that there are no errors, click Send Transaction. And then click Confirm. Once it's successful, it will show all transfers were successful below. In this way, it's completed. If you have any questions, you can come and ask in our community. That's all for this video. Bye bye.